Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to bold your text on Discord. So let's get started. Well, if you have ever been wondering on how to make your text thick or well bold it, this is how you do it. So on your keyboard you should have this. It's called a star, and you pretty much just type two of those. For me on my keyboard it's on the right side where the minus and plus are. I don't know what keyboard you have. Maybe you need to, press it with some kind of combination like shift or something, or control. But for me it's on the right side. But anyways, you just type two of those stars and then you type your text and you finish it off with two of those stars. As you can see, it instantly bolds your text and you can send it and it's bolded. Anyways guys, I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more tutorials just like this, subscribe. Anyways guys, have a nice day.